Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play Team Fortress 2 with friends. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your particular Team Fortress game on your desktop. Once you have done so, you will be able to open it up, and here in this home page you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So for that matter, if you would like to simply join and play with friends, all you have to do is you can see this icons on top, right? This is for the party section where you're going to invite your friends and they will be listed in this party, and all you can do is play with them. For that, here in this friend section, I currently do not have any friends connected with me. When you find your friends list over here, all you have to do is right click on them, and then you will be able to access this option of add to party option. Once you have tapped on it, the profile gonna be over here, and you can find the notification as well. Plus, you have to make sure that your friends are online and they will get the notification as well to join. Once they have confirmed, so you will be able to find their profile on top, like as many as friends as it requires. You can add them accordingly, and after that, all you have to do is go to this find a game section, and you can simply find a game that you would like to play. Here in this casual, you can simply go ahead, tap on it, and let your friend know, and you will be able to play together. It will be set up together and you're good to go. So this is basically the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.